Hey guys, Vimal here. Welcome back to my channel. A lot of people keep looking to buy like a good quality monitor at an affordable price range, right? Maybe around like 5,000 rupees. You people came to the right video. Today I have a brand new monitor from MSI, and this one actually packs like crazy features at this price point, guys. This is MSI's all new Pro series monitor MP225, and as I've told you, it's a 22 inches full HD monitor that even comes with like 120 Hz refresh rate, has an accessory slot on board, and the panel even supports like up to 100% sRGB color gamut range. So today in this video we're gonna unbox it, and I'll be sharing like my detailed review and experience, basically how's the overall panel quality, color range, color quality, everything in this video. It's gonna be super useful, so make sure to watch it till the end. And main highlight of this monitor is it's a make in India monitor. That means it's been locally assembled and manufactured over here in India, guys. So I definitely appreciate that. So I'm like super excited, guys, and without wasting any more time, let's get started with the unboxing. So our brand new monitor from MSI came in this sort of packaging, very simple packaging. On the front you have a picture of the product and the MSI branding as well. As I've told you, this is from the Pro series, model is MP225 E12VL, and main highlight is it's a business and productivity monitor. There is nothing much mentioned on the packaging, so let's quickly get started with the unboxing. So this is how the monitor came packed, and along with the monitor in the package you're also getting some accessories. Just make sure to read this user manual if you got time. Keeping that aside, you're also getting some cables and stuff. Guys, this is the bottom base stand for the monitor. Good quality. It's entirely made of like polycarbonate, but definitely feels sturdy and durable. You're also getting some cables and accessories, which include a free HDMI cable is included in the package. This one I believe is the mains cord for the monitor. So the whole power supply system comes integrated in the monitor's body only, guys. No separate power adapter over here. And lastly, I believe this is the neck of the stand, guys. Basically, you need to attach this to the bottom base of the stand just like this, and that's it. You'll be done within like 2 minutes, guys. No extra hardware or tools, nothing required. What I'll do is I'll give you like a closer look at the monitor, and first of all talk about the whole design and build quality part. So there you go, boys. MSI's all new Pro series MP225 monitor in the house, and here's how it looks like. Now, initial impressions, it's a beautiful looking monitor for the price point, right? I mean, it doesn't look like an affordable category monitor. You're getting a clean and modern looking design. There is nothing on the front profile, guys. A tiny MSI logo only on the bottom bezel of the screen. That's it. Talking about the display, I've told you, right, this is a 22 inches monitor, comes with like 1080p resolution, and even supports up to like native 120 Hz refresh rate. And look at the bezels as well. Honestly, I'm a bit surprised because considering the price point, the bezels are like super slim on the side profiles and even at the top side as well. On the bottom you do have a little bit of chin with the MSI branding. Let me give you a closer look at the stand and talk about that. One thing you might have noticed over here is what is this slot on the central area of the stand. So at the beginning only I've told you, right, this particular monitor also comes with an accessory slot. So basically you can place your smartphone over here in this slot, guys, either in like portrait orientation or landscape orientation also, and use it like a tiny informative screen for the monitor. Use both of them side by side, guys, and the slot is like super useful is what I can say. Only thing if I had to nitpick, right, I wish the slot size was slightly a bit larger. See, in case if you're using like an iPhone, maybe the base variant or the Pro variant, both of them will like easily fit over here. But if you're using larger phones, maybe like the Samsung Ultra series or even like OnePlus phones, right, they're a bit hard to fit in this slot, so keep that in mind. Entire body of the monitor is made of like high quality polycarbonate material and definitely feels sturdy and durable. Anyways, let me give you a closer look and show you all the available IO connectivity ports on this particular model. Again, it's an affordable category monitor, so don't expect a lot over here. You're getting all your IO connectivity ports on the bottom profile of the monitor, very easily accessible, guys. On the left profile you're getting a mains cord. I've told you, right, the whole power supply adapter, everything is integrated in the monitor body only. You simply need to connect the mains cord cable, and that's it, you're good to go. On the right profile here you're getting two ports, which include a HDMI 1.4 port and a VGA port is included. On the extreme right side here you're getting a Kensington lock, and on the left profile, right, this is where you can find a 5-way navigational joystick, which also includes a power button, guys. And using this joystick only you can completely control the monitor's menu, features, options, everything. One more thing I'm not sure if you've noticed is at the back side this particular monitor controller also has like VESA mount compatibility, so definitely appreciate that. In case if you have like small mini PCs, maybe like MSI's QB NUC series only, right, you can directly fix it at the back of the monitor only, guys, in a clean and organized pattern, and make it like a full-on all-in-one PC system. Like super handy and useful solution. Lastly, let me also tell you about the monitor's adjustability. So this particular model only supports like tilt adjustability, guys. It doesn't support like a swivel function or even like height adjustment, but again, considering the price point, I think most of the monitors in the market come with this functionality only, so it's quite acceptable. So what I'll do is I'll quickly set it up, connect it to my PC, power it on, and show you how the panel and display quality looks like. So there you go, our brand new MSI monitor is all set up, and here's how it looks like. Let me first give you a closer look at the display and talk about the spec and panel you're getting for this price point. See, at the beginning only I've told you, right, MSI's all new Pro MP225 model is a business and productivity range monitor featuring 22 inches display on board. To be precise, right, that is roughly around 21.45 inches. You're getting FHD resolution 1920 by 1080 basically, and has like native 120Hz refresh rate, and even supports up to like 100% sRGB color gamut range. So I've been using this monitor for the last couple of days for my home requirements, day-to-day office needs, a little bit of productivity, and obviously a bit of gaming as well. And honestly, right, for this price point, I was like quite impressed with the overall panel quality MSI is offering for this price point. See, you're getting 1080p resolution at 21.45 inches. There's nothing less you can expect, guys. Great amount of detail. All the text looks like easily readable, and there's good clarity, guys. Nothing to worry about that. Talking about the panel, I believe MSI is offering like VA panel on board, and it's a good quality panel for this price point. You're getting around like 4000:1 contrast ratio, so decent contrast ratio, and black levels are also like quite acceptable for this price point. And coming to the colors, well, at the beginning only I've told you, right, panel supports almost up to like 100% sRGB color gamut range, and it's a native 8-bit panel. Overall color quality, color reproduction was very good and on point is what I can say, guys. And even in case if you want to use this monitor for a little bit of pro activities, right, maybe you do a little bit of Photoshop or Premiere Pro, nothing to worry about that. Monitor also has like pro color mode, guys. sRGB mode is also there, which is going to offer you like natural sort of color, so this will definitely help you out. And coming to the brightness, the panel supports around like 300 nits of brightness, and I had no issues checking out the monitor panel in most of the situations. Viewing angles are also fine, offers up to 178-degree wide viewing angles, and one more good thing is the monitor's panel is also anti-glare coated, so cuts down a lot of unnecessary reflections and glares. See, for your day-to-day sort of requirements, maybe like home purpose, office needs, a bit of productivity, or even media consumption, right, this monitor is more than sufficient. You'll be quite happy with the experience. Even if you want to use it like a secondary screen, works great for the purpose, especially for your laptop. Apart from that, the monitor is also TUV Rainland certified and comes with MSI's Eyes Ergo Tech and also IQ Check, which minimizes the strain on your eyes and also reminds you to take rest for 20 minutes every once in a while. And not just your casual day-to-day activities or productivity sort of applications, even if you want to use this monitor for a bit of gaming, right, casual gaming, yes, you can do that, as the panel supports native 120Hz refresh rate. See, this is not a dedicated gaming monitor, but for casual gaming purpose, right, it is more than sufficient. I've played a couple of games like 007 First Light and even Spider-Man as well, and had a good experience so far. Not to miss out, you're also getting support for VESA adaptive sync, right? So this includes both LFC and low latency, and you people know, right, if you want to experience like a smooth gaming performance, then higher refresh rates and lower latency is quite essential. And not only that, they also reduce the motion blur, screen tearing, and also the ghosting effects as minimum as possible. And by the way, I told you that the response time of this monitor is 1 millisecond, right? So that is actually MPRT, not G2G. G2G response time is roughly around 4 milliseconds. Well, that is pretty much it, our video on MSI's Pro Series MP225 monitor. As I've told you, if you're looking for a monitor at an affordable price point around like 5 or 6,000 rupees, then this could definitely fit the job. You're getting a 22 inches 120Hz FHD display that even supports up to like 100% sRGB color gamut range. It's great for your home needs, office needs, or even for like casual gaming experience also. What do you people think? Let me know in the comment section down below. And talking about the price, it roughly costs around like 5,700 or 5,800 rupees in the Indian market. I'll try to leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. And that's it. If you all enjoyed watching it, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.